Accidental touch on a phone can be major annoyance, leading to unwanted calls, apps, launches, or even missed messages. So how you can enable or disable this in your phone, I'm going to show you. So go to your setting. And go to display. And here find something prevent accidental touch or pocket mode. So in your phone, this can be in different name. So in my phone is called accidental touch protection. It's sometimes off on your phone like this. You need to enable this on your smartphone to protect your phone from accidental touches when it is in dark place such as pocket or bag. So I'm going to enable this. So my protection is enabled. If you want to disable this, you can simply select this to disable this. So guys, that's how you can enable or disable this. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.